This company's broke and it's got a $20 billion market cap. I think I'm going to start getting an early run on this. RUN. I've been waiting. I think I said a couple of weeks ago that I wanted to short it. Now you can see we have a key reversal yesterday and it's up about, it dropped a little bit now. It was 54 bid. I'm going to maybe try and get some at 54. I'm going to do some here at 53. So it's up about 50 cents on the day. You've had a host of key reversals in this area. So I'm just going to get a leg up on this thing right now. I try to sell short 15,000. I only got 3,733, which is still whatever, $200,000 order here in the pre-market session at 54.14. I had a 54.05 limit and they filled me a little higher and then ran away. So you can see now it's 53.71. So I could probably get out of this thing with a 15-cent profit on 3,700 shares. 3,700 times, make 555 bucks. But no, I really want to stay short this because this could be my next QuantumScape. I may look at the options too. This funky looking Head and Shoulders. So this has obviously been a very tricky stock to short because you could get your hat handed to you, but I think the game's up. Eventually these things have got to come back to reality and they've got to represent some kind of financial reality. This company's broke and it's got a $20 billion market cap. So we're sitting right on this neckline. So it looks a bit like BYND. And so I think I want to short this thing. I got it 2,000 shares at 179.01.
How big is that position?
2,000 times 180 is about 360,000.
Okay, so it's not one of your big trades.
Well, I want to leg into it. I actually want it to go higher. I don't want to miss it. On one hand, and on the other hand, I'd like to, get it like $5 higher, and I'll give them some more. QuantumScape at 23.22. Let me just see. GameStop up a little bit. Run 53.40. Might try and get some more there. I just want to get anything 53.40 beyond, unchanged. Moderna up about $2-3.
Yeah, Moderna's rocketing.
Yeah, that's a one to own. Caterpillar, GameStop's coming off. I want to get this run before it takes off.
So
53, it's already gone. I'm just going to balance it out, and I got the other 20. So I've got a total of 6,000. Yeah. So I shorted in the pre-market run at 54.14, and it's, almost $1 lower on the opening. I'm getting murdered on a lot of things here. I did some really stupid plays. I bought some Delta Airline puts based on the opening, on the earnings, and I think it came out favorable. So right now, just about where it was yesterday. I'm getting killed on these Beyond Meat puts. I've got Delta Airline I'm getting wasted on. Probably should get out of those and preserve the $3,000. The Qs I'm getting hammered on. I'm writing off these Uber calls. So it's really, I'm up 52 grand in these QS puts and 180. So that's really carrying the water. And then you can see run, I'm already making 5 grand just based on selling it in the pre-market. Zoom's down 3, but I really like Zoom. I really like that. The reversals and the ascending broadening thing. I think that Zoom is, maybe should have reallocated more of my resources there. I've got Zoom in another account. I've got 2,500 Zoom in, so all told about 6,000 shares. So I guess it's a decent position. So I've got 2,500 shares in another account, which is worth, $1 million. So I'm pretty covered if it goes down. So there you go. This is run, 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 run away. So I shorted it. It does not even there. So here's the high of the day, but I shorted it somewhere 54 up there. That's where so look at it. There's 53.50. I'm going to get out of half my position right here. Filled. I got filled on 3,500 shares. So 54.14 minus 52.50 is $1.64 times 3,500, $5,740 in 11 minutes. Yeah, I don't want, the thing is, we've started off this boiler room pretty good, and I don't know where you go from here. So I guess this is Pete's Open. So you've got AVAV. I haven't checked that. Moderna. I love that. That's a great bet.
Yeah.
Peloton, you still got. That's pretty cool because I think it's coming off today. I think Beyond Meat's leaking, and I like this. I don't know. Do you have any space to add? Because I think this thing is.
I can, but it's dropped so much. I don't know what to add.
Yeah, I know. What I would do is I'd wait like to the half-hour low, wait for some kind of bounce, hopefully, and then just put a sell stop underneath there. But this thing, I knew this thing would come off. I love this. I see this to 365, and if it's going to go to the bottom of that channel, it goes back to 290.
So Andrew says currently up 600 on Zoom and 3,000 on Moderna.
Way to go, Andrew. Thanks, man. You've been a good supporter of our programs. I really love that you're making some money.
What's your open profits looking like?
Pretty much the same as yesterday. But it doesn't reflect stuff that I've taken off. I mean, I've banked so much in profits, Pete. It's kind of, weird. I mean, I've banked probably over $100,000, much more than 100, over and above this open.
Yeah.
And I have the same in another account. So I've made probably $500,000 in the last 3 weeks, just in stocks, and then another. What's my FX doing? Wow, I guess pound New Zealand's gotten murdered today. 4,300 short in this account and 2,500 short in another account.
All right. So, I went short of the market as well, and I've got a sell stop under the low.
Wow, here's Delta Airlines. I didn't think I'd get paid today. I thought I was just going to write off that premium. I dumped about 7,500 into these puts just on the earnings release. I saw it was coming in much higher, and I was mentally prepared. I had to write it all off. And, I might just get even paid on it. Let's see, I'm losing $687, and I was losing $3,000 this morning. So you can see, 45, it's 1.3 million.
$1.3 million short.
So popped out a profit for 118,000 there. So you can see how this is going crazy now. You can see how the market just going nuts. I bet like $1.6 million on this position. I'm showing right now $23,000 gain.